show you how to change the battery in these new key fobs. So first thing you want to do is take the key out, pushing that little button here, slide that key out there. If you look in here, you can see this little slot right here. Turn the screwdriver like that, and then we got the end that pops out. And there's the battery. This battery is a CR2032. Now this doesn't, I don't think it needs a battery, so I got my battery tester. Now this is a 3-volt. We got 299, so we know this battery's good. The positive side up. Squeeze it together. And that would be how you change the battery. Real easy to do. It's actually easier than some of the other ones. So be sure to subscribe, leave a like, check out the merch store. Hit the notification bell so you know when other things are being uploaded.